Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a bag unboxing. So I'm so excited because I was supposed to do this bag unboxing like a month ago but this package barely came in the mail today. I've been waiting for it like literally over a month, and I even emailed the people and I was like, where's my bags, girl? And literally the next day they show up on my porch. So I am super excited to open this with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Charla, and if you want to become part of the Pink family, girl, all you gotta do is subscribe and hit that like button and comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to film here on this channel. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Name that song, you guys. Name that song in the comments. I feel like that vibe today. I feel like the Little Mermaid with my red hair, and I'm wearing this baby blue jacket. So I feel like Ariel. I feel like Ariel every day. That's just the vibe that I'm going for this summer. So that is just what I've been doing. I'm channeling my inner Ariel. So yeah, let's go ahead and open these books. So here's what she looks like inside. I have not opened it. Literally came today. As soon as I saw it, I was like, girl, we are filming this today. And this video will probably go up a little late, but I had to go to the gym today. I could not skip out on the gym, girl. So I was like, I'm gonna go to the gym and then we can film this video. So here we are, finally filming the video. So here's the box. It is nicely packed up. So what do you guys think that I am going to be unboxing? What do you guys think? One of these bags is a bag that I have had in the past, and I got rid of it maybe like a year ago because I felt like I had never used it. And I recently thought, I don't know why I got rid of that bag, because I really feel like I need that bag in my collection. So I got it again. So I know. So let's see if you guys can guess which bag I got in the comments right now. Pause this video and write in the comments which bag you think I repurchased. So let's see if you guys get it right. We're almost there. I'm gonna have another mess. I literally cleaned my room today so that I could film this video, and now my room's gonna be a mess again, but nothing new, girl, nothing new. So let me cut into this baby. Get in here. You guys guess what it is. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Been waiting forever for this, you guys. So yeah, if you guessed it, I got another Chanel bag. Can you guys guess which one it is? So yeah, I went ahead and got a Chanel bag and a Louis Vuitton wallet. So which one should we open first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's do the wallet first. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into what is in the Louis Vuitton box. So let's go ahead and open her up. Can't see. So here is what she looks like. Take the wrapping. Then let's go ahead and it's like a box within a box within a box within a box. Like, you still can't see what's in it. So then we've got the bag, and then we still have to unwrap this paper. And look, it is pink. Of course she's pink, girl. It's like Merry Christmas for me to me, but it's not Christmas. OMG. This is so cute. So I got the LV wallet, and I think this collection came out maybe a few months ago, but I am just getting it now because I felt like I needed this in my life. But isn't it so pretty? I love it. It's like the perfect shade of pink. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So let me open this. Let me open this baby up, and we've got a lot of papers in here that we're just going to be throwing in the trash. So here's what the inside looks like. So you have a bunch of pockets for cards, cash, and your coins. Girl, you know, you need some spare change. You got some spare change in here. So yeah, we have all this room for your monies, and I'm excited to use this. She's so pretty. What do you guys think? So I know you guys are going to be asking if I'm going to be getting the new pastel collection from Louis Vuitton that just came out. The answer is yes, but it probably won't be until a month from now, because I had messaged the people that I get my bags from, and they told me that they probably won't have them ready for like 2 to 3 weeks, and then by the time they ship it to me. So I am getting the new pastel collection because it is just so pretty. I fell in love. I was like, oh, I need it in my life, but it is going to take me a little bit to get it, so probably not till next month, but expect that in a future unboxing. But I wanted to get this wallet because I feel like I don't have enough large wallets. I think I only have like 2 large wallets, and now I have 3. So I wanted to get this wallet. I thought it was super cute, and I mean, it's pink, so why not? So there was the LV wallet, and let's go ahead and open up the Chanel bag. I'm excited. So this bag, like I said, I have had it in the past, and I got rid of it, and I don't know why I got rid of it, but I got rid of it, and I decided to get it again. So let's go ahead and get in here and see this baby. This is what it looks like on the inside. You know, it comes with like little cards that we don't care about. We throw it in the trash. Comes with some bubble wrap. And oh my god, it's so cute. I mean, I can't really see it from here, but I can kind of see it from here, girl. So oh my god, it is so pretty. Okay, we gotta open this, you guys. Oh my god, this is probably, oh my god. Okay, let me tell you before y'all are gonna be so mad at me. I'm like, open the dang bag. Y'all are probably gonna be mad at me, but oh my god, for not like showing you this bag right now. But the reason why I sold this bag in the past was because it wasn't the shade of pink that I like adore, because you guys know I love the bubblegum pink, the light pastel pink, like those are my pinks. And this pink, that pink that I had in that bag, it was just more of like a neutral pink, like almost like a beige, like very close to like nude pink. And you know, that's just not me. Like if it's gonna be pink, it's gonna be pink, girl. So it's gonna be like the color of my walls pink. So that's why I got rid of it, because it just wasn't going with my outfit, and I just wasn't reaching for it. I was reaching for my other bubblegum pink bags, so that's why I sold it. And then I saw this one, and it looked more pink. Like I didn't know that they had this shade of pink, so it was definitely a more bubblegum pink. So I was hoping that the pictures weren't a lie. I was praying that it was going to be the pink that I saw in the photos, and it is. So I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. We're gonna open this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at it. She's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, let me take this blue plastic paper off of here. Let me get it off. Hold on. Oh my god, this is so cute. So much trash on my floor. Oh well. Oh, she's so pretty. Let me get my scissors. Okay. Oh my god, this may be like one of the prettiest Chanel bags in my collection. This may legit be one of the prettiest bags in my collection. Okay, here it is. Oh my goodness, look. Is this bag just not the prettiest shade of pink? Like, I am so obsessed right now. I don't think any of my Chanel bags are this shade of pink. Like, at the end of the video, I'll like shoot like a little, or right now, I'll put a clip in right now. I'll put a little recording of like it compared to my other Chanel bags, and I literally, none of my bags are this shade of pink, and I feel like this is the most perfect shade of bubblegum pink. This is just so beautiful. You guys need it in your collection. Okay, so I can confirm right now that I probably will never get rid of this bag. Like, there is some bags in my collection that I'm kind of like, I think I need to part with this bag because I never touch it. And if you guys want me to do a video of like me, you know, showing bags that I kind of like regret, or bags that I would consider like, you know, reselling, let me know. Because like, I already look at my shelf and I'm like, yeah, there's like 2 or 3 bags that I'm kind of like, do I really need these? Should I part with these? You know, like, I'm already adding so many more bags into my collection. There's a little bug flying around. I'm already adding so many more bags to my collection soon, and I just need more space. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that video. But let me take this plastic piece off really quick. Okay, so I'm like struggling with the little blue sticker that they put on here to protect the hardware, but I will take the rest of it off in a minute. But here is what the hardware looks like at the top, and that is just so beautiful. You guys, I've always been in love with this bag, and I remember Bretman Rock's sister, Princess May, she has a bag exactly like this, and she would always take pictures of it, and it was always like the perfect shade of pink. And I was always like, I want her bag, I want her bag. And then I tried to go and get the bag, and it ended up being like not the shade of pink that she had, so that's why I resold it. And I am so glad that I saw this one, because this makes me so happy, because I've always wanted this one, and I just think she is so pretty. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed, and it is the perfect size. Like, it is not too big, not too small. I'm pretty sure my wallet will fit in here. So I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see on the inside. That is how she looks. And then once you open up the pockets here, this is how it looks on the inside. And I'm gonna take out all this paper. The crossbody strap is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm excited. I even forgot that it came with a crossbody strap. So here's what it looks like on the inside. So you have like 2 big old pockets right here, and then you have another back pocket here. So it literally has like 3 pockets. So I really like that about this bag. And it also has a zipper in the back, so you can store like your pads, things you don't want people to see if they look in your bag or whatever. I mean, people shouldn't be looking in your bag, but you never know. So yeah, I feel like this would fit a lot. It's the perfect size. I'm gonna see if my wallet fits in here, and I wish that this bag came with a matching wallet, but I didn't see any like Chanel wallets that caught my eye or that I felt like would match with this, so that's why I got the LV one. But it fits perfectly. Look how cute. So I'm definitely going to be using this wallet and this purse like tomorrow, but I'm in love with it. It is just so pretty, and it is just that caviar type of leather. It's like that bubbly soft leather. So I will say to be careful when you're wearing jeans, so I definitely need to be careful when I'm carrying this. I'm probably going to be carrying it like by the handle, because I don't want nothing to happen to it. And it did come with a strap, so let's see how the strap looks. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be babying this bag. And I don't know if you guys are new to my channel, if you guys are not new to my channel, you already know that these bags are not real. So my OGs already know, like I don't really have to say it every time I do an unboxing because you guys know. But if you are new here and you just clicked this video because you know you saw me floating around YouTube, these bags are not authentic, and I'm sorry I forgot to state that in the beginning. I just forgot because you guys know. But if you are new, like yeah, these bags are not real, but it's okay because I like all kinds of bags. Like I have real bags, I have fake bags, and I have, you know, bags from, I have $20 bags, I have $2,000 bags. Like I do not care what kind of bag it is. I just like girly fashion. So if you guys are not into that, I'm sorry baby girl, I made you watch this far into the video. But most of you guys know that like almost more than half of my bags are not real. So most of you guys know that, but if you don't, yeah, sorry girl. But I don't want to spend like 10K on a bag and then mess it up and then not want to use it because I'm scared to mess it up. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. But anyways, here is how the strap looks. So the only thing that I will say is that the strap does look pretty short. So well, it actually does fit pretty nice, like it stops at the hip. But what I don't like is that I can't wear it crossbody because it is short and I am a tall girl. So, but if anything, I could just, you know, switch out the crossbody. But I actually don't mind because I rather just carry it by the handle because like I said, I don't want to dirty this bag with my jeans. So I rather just carry it on my arm. So I really don't care about the crossbody strap not being long enough. I still adore this bag so much, and my phone I think will even fit in the back pocket. Like if I'm shopping and I don't want to put my phone all the way in my bag, I can just sit it there and it will be fine. So I really like that about this bag, and I am obsessed with it. If you guys want me to do a what's in my bag for this one, let me know. I would love to do it because I think I'm gonna be using this bag a lot. So let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys want me to do like a spring collection bag video. If you guys want me to show you all my spring bags that I use during this time of year and bags that I, you know, might be considering on selling. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, that was everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys want to see next. And thank you guys for always watching and supporting and leaving sweet comments. I appreciate it so much. You guys make my day like you don't even know. So I just want to say thank you again, and yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.